Here's a walkthrough of the bedroom. That's all finished and decorated. We have the pug's bed right here. And Missila. And Winston. Hey Winston, do you want to go visit Norman this weekend? Do you want to go visit your friend Norman? You do? You too. You're going to, Cece. Okay, here are the wall sconces we cut. And we got that tree behind the chair. And the pictures. We put that up above the bed. A little wrought iron design. Ooh, and hey, we're gonna go. We're gonna go see him, I promise. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye too, Cece.